Hair lice is a common problem and schools have reopened. You need to know how to take care of your scalp and hair. It's important to wash the hair at least weekly twice to maintain the scalp hygiene. If you spot any hair lice on the hair, it's important to comb with the knit comb regularly, either daily, alternate days as much as you can, and keep combing for at least 2 weeks till you see no lice. When you use a shampoo, ensure you cover the knit area, which is generally 1 inch beginning from the roots. The knits need the warmth of the scalp, so generally they are close to the scalp. So you have to apply wherever you see the knits here. Do not forget this area of your ear and behind. So these are the places where they are focused. Apply the shampoo from the beginning till the end. Wait for 10 minutes and wash it off. Repeat application of anti-lice medication after 10 days to ensure that the no lices are left. You can also use a pre-vinegar wash or a normal shampoo to remove the glue from the knits so that the lice shampoo performs better.